So if you want to learn chords on the piano, right, the two notes is essentially a chord. So this would be the C major. If you want to make it 3, that's the most common of the chords. I personally find that really annoying and like to use four fingers for chords. I pretty much use 4-fingered chords all the time. And to learn 12 chords in one go, all you really have to do is learn this pattern. So you put your thumb here, a gap of 1, a gap of 1, a gap of 2. Once you've got that, you've just learned 12 of the chords. So the first obvious 8 is you just keep this pattern. You get this pattern and you just lock your hand into that position. Just get used to really locking the shape in. And that already teaches you 8 on the C major scale. And you also can do the ones on the black notes as well, and all you do is shift up. So by just changing the position that your thumb is on, so long as you keep the rest of your hand completely locked, you instantly know 12 chords. So we've got and it's a whole jumble of major and minor and weird 7th chords like this one here. But that's a really easy way to learn 12 chords really fast. And usually you can adjust from major to minor just by moving this finger here either down or up 1 is normally the case. So in order to turn this C major into a C minor, you just drop this finger and that's it, and then you can move the shape as well. And that gives you a whole new set of chords as well. But yeah, super fast way to learn pretty much all the chords on the piano. Obviously there's exceptions and there's weird, there's 5-fingered chords and everything. But you don't need to worry about that. If you can just get the idea of the 4-fingered chord shape, and then you can do all sorts of stuff. You can go, you can make whatever pattern up you want in between your fingers and just lift them up and raise them down. It's not that hard. You just learn the shape, and that's all the chords. You already know all the chords. That's about it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.